ahead and get this in here. So what we did is we went head in first. So I'm gonna take this out of the way. You want to squish the cable, just hook that right there for a second. You can hold on there for a second. And now, just realize that I left this here. Right. Supposed to hug that. Let's get this bolt out of here. No, the bolt is squished. Alright guys, remember to make sure that you don't lose the bolt. Oh crap. What did I do with the bolt? Okay, there it is. Let me stop being lazy. Okay, back in the wall. Hook is there for the belt. There you go. This goes in there. I think it should fall into place, I will assume. Oh, there you go. Got good fingers. Just wiggle it in there. And apparently my finger game ain't that great. Pause. Okay, there you go. So, and somehow, I think I got it right. Got it wrong. It's the other way. It's supposed to hold the battery down this way. So, make sure that I push that all the way back. And let's try to get it on there. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is going to hold on there. I want to make sure that and unless this battery is a slight bigger, which I think it is. Yeah, this battery is slight bigger. I can tell already. Gotta find the vent that's on this side. That's not a vent right there. You see? Here's a vent. Gotta find the vent hook. It's on this side. So